All right, hi guys. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be solving a question from JEE Mains 2021, and it's right in front of you all. So, principally, if you look at this question, so you've got some A and B, which is greater than 0 and less than 1, and tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B is equal to pi by 4, which makes sense, right? Because both of them individually would be less than since A and B both of them are less than 1, tan inverse of A and tan inverse of B both will be less than pi by 4 each, and they can sum up to pi by 4 as a result. So essentially we need to find the value of this expression. So let me just regroup this expression, as I'll just group the A terms together. So A by A square by 2, sorry, this will be minus A square by 2. So A minus A square by 2 plus A cube by 3 minus a की power 4 by 4 dot till infinity plus b. This is our expression which we need to evaluate, right? So let's just call it s minus b square by 2 plus b cube by 3 minus b की power 4 by 4 dot till infinity. Now let's look at let's look at a Taylor approximation of a certain value, right? So let's just try to see what ln 1 plus x can be written as in Taylor's form. So obviously, Taylor's theorem says that every irrational function or every every non-rational function can be expressed as a polynomial. You just basically take the limit till infinity and you just keep on taking the derivative to find the coefficients. So a3x cubed plus dot dot dot. Now, when I take the derivative over here, I get 1 by 1 plus x is equal to a1 plus 2a2x plus 3a3x square plus dot 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 till infinity. Now we know that if x mod of x is less than 1, which basically implies that this is the sum of an infinite GP, right? So you can write it as 1 minus x plus x square minus x cubed dot dot dot, where the common difference is minus x. And the sum just becomes a by 1 minus r, so 1 by 1 minus x, which is 1 plus x, is equal to a1 plus twice of a2x plus thrice of a3 x square dot dot dot. So you just compare the coefficients. A1 equal to 1, a2 equal to minus half, a3 is equal to 1 by 3 dot dot dot. And from this expression, we can put x equal to 0. So when x is equal to 0, ln 1 is equal to a naught, which is equal to 0. So a naught will be 0. So ln 1 plus x can be approximated as x minus x square by 2 plus x cube by 3 minus x की power 4 by 4 dot 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 till infinity, only when mod of x is less than 1. Now, when you look at this, it's given in the question that a is between 0 and 1. So mod of a is also less than 1. So this can be a valid conversion from the expression that we've gotten over here. Let's just call it equation 1. We can compare this with equation 1, and we can see that x is basically a over here, right? So ln 1 plus a is equal to a minus a square by 2 plus a cube by 3 minus a की power 4 by 4 dot 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 till infinity. So essentially our s will become ln 1 plus a, and similarly for b it will become ln 1 plus b. So this is our s. Now let's make use of the fact that tan inverse of a plus tan inverse of b is equal to pi by 4. So let's just take tan on both sides. So tan inverse of A plus tan inverse of B is equal to tan pi by 4, which is 1. So we know that tan of theta 1 plus theta 2 is tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by 1 minus tan theta 1 tan theta 2. So using this identity, we can say that 1 is equal to, so from here 1 is equal to a plus b 1 minus ab. So 1 minus 1 is equal to a plus b plus ab, and let's just factorize this. So a 1 plus b plus b, right? So we need to make it 1 plus b also, so that we can take 1 plus b common. So let's just add 1 on both sides. So 2 is equal to a 1 plus b plus 1 times 1 plus b. So 2 is equal to 1 plus a 1 plus b. This is our second equation. Now, as you can see over here, S can be evaluated as ln 1 plus a into 1 plus b because uh, using the properties of logarithm, this is just the same as this. And we know 1 plus a plus 1 plus b is just 2 from our second equation. So this becomes ln 2, which is log to the base 2 e. Sorry, this is log to the base e 2. So our answer is going to be option A. Hope that makes sense.